Bless up to all our viewers and the subscribers them there, see me? Go on, continue to like and subscribe to the channel, my people. Today me and the boss them are go hunt some bird today. See me I say me and DK there say.
Yeah man. Yeah,
And we have Daddy and brother yo.
Yeah,
Bless up, bless up, bless up.
So yes my people, we are go say we catch no bird. You see me, so no stay tuned man, we are showing how we're going. Sorry people, as you can see, road funny we hunting, we are say we catch no bird, you see me? They man I shoot and I deal with the camera business, so I don't know you. So yes my people, no stay tuned man, I show them how we're going. Maybe I get some rain. How long you wife in the rest? So stay tuned people, we are showing how we're going. Remember now, people, we are go close to where bird them there now, you see me, so we can't too talk too much, you see me I say, so we just look and see what going on the people.
Watch this, Adoni.
Oh. Sin painted? Oh, I sitting there. I look here. I spear dog. Trying to kill them there. So yes my viewers, as you can see we still up on the hunting in the rain, man. And in the rain where they see it there. Different place we gone. You understand? And in the rain we say we can't catch nothing. Just go and stay tuned people, when you see what go on. God, I'm a jumper. Right, I'm going to jump in there with the bag and wait up everything. Hold this, brother.
So you want me to come over with you when you drop out of my hand?
Hold it, man. So you take it fine. Hold it firm like you. Yo, get the bag out, China. Man, we just walk in the water, man.
Yeah, walk in the water. Walk in the water. Balance yourself, that's what you're doing.
Put the heart up. Easy, boy. Hold it.
Me have video. Oh, you did that? You already have video?
Don't cross.
Hold it.
Yo, man, me.
So, brother, why you walk on it? It piece of wood, man.
Me see if it's
Say wood, man.
Me already have it up, people.
Well, we see wood for body people, but they not give you a chance to spend no shot off of them, man. DK, they get to fire for one over there, so still, but they actually warm up shot them, you see me? But we see wood leap over here, so a while ago. See what going on. Yo, Denmark, see what I know? See over there, sir. You see him? Yo, see one lawyer. See one lawyer right here, so come. See him right here, Denmark. You see the piece of tree that we broke down? Take off your head off my body. What do man?
Sorry.
You almost kill him? Go on for that again. Train to try shoot one time, man.
Watch your water though.
Shoot, brother.
Now we need shoot, boss man.
Ah, more tell almost kill him. I would over there.
One of them over there, so they come out.
See when I tap there,
Right now, one of them man have to go over there and one over here.
One of his high dark and one bishop.
Brother, you have to give me my shooting and I'm not afraid to shoot, brother.
Just shit them.
Brother, I'm just saying, I was not tell you, brother. You see, tired of it. Yo, one ball, you come here, boy.
Ooh, in dead.
Pick it up. You catch it on the camera, boy?
Yes, man. In the pan camera, people.
In the pan?
Yeah, man.
No,
Feather fly.
Pick it up. You drop around the Tyler. Go around the field, man. Yo. See there, we get one already, people. But I never that really want, but we take what we get. I kill that right now, keep coming back. Anti-chip here next time. I think that now, this is. And the easy to come out, right? Oh my god, this is dead. Ready there? That's man.
You got chest plate to the almost.
Yeah?
You don't want to see one big chest plate also.
It's one big, bro.
Put your steel ball. Most can't get up on. Most can't get the kill up on the camera. Something to kill. Which one I shoot? Far one.
No, I see one that's easy, I have to get them. I will have to get your fast apart.
Yeah, then. You just do it.
Watch it fall.
Dead.
it fall.
He dead.
Watch it fall.
Dead. Wonderful shot.
Watch it fall.
Great shot from Dwayne Russell.
Fall life.
Beautiful shot. Live.
Yo, yes,
Beautiful shot by Dwayne.
You know me I can't tell us. I'm coming in, mate. Yo, you know me I tell us, bro?
Do it.
I just good stone more.
You can walk around.
I just
Watch this, man. You can walk this up. Walk this up.
Tyler, you look clean, man. You should have run it.
Yo, do it.
Yo,
Look, give man a look. Walk between this up. Look, come on.
you see, buddy?
Yes, you.
So I anti-80 the chance shooting.
Roll that one.
One eye four lifestyle. Yeah, man. Show them a wonderful shot, man.
I want to see next one. You say, on there. You still see him?
See them bush over there, I go through people.
What's on here, man?
Look.
I can't about this at all.
A long tail feeder. When I had a game.
You can't name, no Joe?
Headshot.
You can't name?
Watch this now.
Pass him.
Go up on this one.
Pass
You
him.
can't name, no true?
Jump on this.
Alright.
Tell people.
But the pure water, you
No show
can't go
blood
there.
there.
No, me know already, man.
You can't go in there.
No show. It has sink.
You know what I mean?
Which part is it?
You up on this one. Stand, go up on this one. You don't stand up, come out with him. You don't go hear my ball, man.
Find it.
You ain't a can't go there. Leave the bird alone. I want it. Far one. Yeah.
Try to finish that one.
No, man, make him start. Let me kill him too. Come on, make him start, man.
Time stay, Tyler.
He back broke, you know.
Look him in the dog, me I beg you. Licky bird, where you see a shoot.
Two left here, man. Run out of mark a long time. Yeah. Turn up.
So I can hear the boy.
Stone him.
Aye.
Get up and chop out of me and the mud, you know.
You don't talk to the bush as a dog.
We can't get him, man.
This went up.
Me see one place ain't gone this up. Until lick after that. No man carry it.
And
Man.
the man for marky. You see me, I look shot.
Watch out now, people. Me I give it to this at the time. I go for your bird. Hold this. Me I go for your bird.
You're not me, I tell her, brother.
Watch out now.
Go for that fast, Tyler.
Beautiful. Now if you watch him, watch him bird. Yo, me a killer on you.
Marky. You just chop the marky.
Killer. You catch it, Tyler?
Yeah, man.
Yo, no bad one.
Sorry, go back me now. Straight through this angle.
DK, Marky.
Yes, straight through this. Straight through. Yeah, over, man.
Brother, I can't decide.
Oh.
I'm going.
Go on, man.
I got team, brother.
Yeah, man. Yo, you're a killer, but we don't get them, so that's a problem.
Yes, straight through, brother. Straight through.
I remember that one.
Straight through, brother.
So neighbor, then kill her.
Sam, now come.
Steve Wallace.
Me now Steve. Wait.
You find him, bro?
Yeah.
He dead?
No, me not gonna send it, you know, boy.
Yo, remember next time I come in, so come talk in our part. Remember when shot him? Tyler, come no man, you look, you can climb up into the house. Then man, remember when you talk, you know?
So what's right in here, so you know?
See me, boy.
See him? Lick him down.
Come in then, man. See me, take him up, my boss. Grab him.
When there?
Let me catch him on the floor. Aye, killer. Grab him, my boss. Grab him, Tyler. Hold that. You hold him? You hold him, Tyler?
You mean, boy, no Freddy, now. If you bite you, you no bite that, boy.
You know by that, you know. I'm a killer. Because nobody would. When you bite, you know. Killer, we are killer. DK, you are killer.
You find them?
Yeah, man, the two of them get fine.
People they in my pocket, you see me, so. We not
No,
show them
no,
to-
yo, no, them
No,
thing
do
like
not do that on the stream, sir.
that. Put them in your pocket, bro.
Watch out now, people.
So we find the two of them.
Watch these people.
We are, you're not ready yet, man. One, two more.
What?
The killer,
You
yeah.
want one more, you get two.
Two more, me say me want, bad
Then
man.
a two you get?
No, that's after we shoot the first one.
No, man, a two before they go.
One more to go, one
Come,
more.
stop, come.
One more to go.
You want one more. Monique say want one. You just call me. So yes, my people. We are going, man. We miss a couple shots still. We're not growing it, but
Just a warm up.
we are warm up.
Years we not
You
do
see
this.
it? A long time we don't do them thing. Yeah. So yeah, man.
Come, stop.
We go and stay tuned, man.
Couldn't
Yo,
get no ball.
kill a ball there with the steel ball, yo. See me right there, so.
Where?
See me
I
there.
don't steal, brother.
So, no, so you know how to-
So we go and stay tuned, people. We sure know how go on, man. Holy brother. Alright.
Boy, people. We just come to catch you about them for them. God know,
I warm up, you know, people. I warm up because, to tell you the truth, a long time. I don't shoot, but you know, I don't expect. Right now, video, I go plan the video.
Stand up, man. Stand up and man a turn. Kill that. Stand up.
No, do it, man.
I want to look out in here, you know.
So yes, my people, right now we are planning to go back over here now. We just pick them off and go. Because here we are going to, you know. We run out of stone and thing, you know. You see me I say? We run out of stone. We have to pick up stone on the roadside. And the stone and fire good, them a seal all about when they fire them.
You want the marble stone them. You know, marble stone them where you
Yeah.
go down the seaside and pick them up, man.
We have to go pick up some for next time.
Anytime I lick one with that, then I have to drop one.
So DK, you have them the woodpecker yet?
What you mean they sweet like me and that in
Yeah,
there?
you ready?
And one guys, watch it, guys, see.
So we are Friday up now.
You know must know.
Cool.
We
I'm
not
sorry,
put
some
on
nugget, man.
We are put no bad man.
We are name them
We are
now.
Friday now. Yeah man, we are plan for murder the one and all DK. So yeah man, people as I can see one come feel brave yeah. Good man, I go murder it. Keep it steady, keep it steady. Yeah man. So you don't know a thing of people. As we say a long time we don't really shoot birds still, you know. So it's a warm up day. We don't catch nothing too big today. But we catch some birds still. Woodpecker and so on. What you know what I mean? Where next one?
We're a bird in Jamaica.
And they are boat man. Yo, see one day again you know.
I him said one.
They all about, but hard to find them sometimes.
Yeah.
Man. See, top shooter here too, you know. Him lick down couple of them, you know.
What you mean, man?
Him. He can't go on.
He can't go on.
Yeah, man. We can go on.
You have to go build some more catapult, man. I just shoot because
People, you have to look on it, you know. We are use like we family them catapult when you make we own as yet, you see me? Cause we can't get no elastic. You see, Pre? Next week before it's stored, next week before they get it. Yeah, people, you know, check out on the store them. Store them and say next week they get the elastic. So you know say we're not being with one thing, so we have to just go and work with it, you know?
Yeah, man.
So, check in, man.
a Tyler catapult
Check
me I
it.
use and this one I use Tyler for the catapult.
Yeah, man.
So we have to kind of build them through way, you know?
Yeah, man. See me catapult, yeah. I might use me catapult, you know. Yeah, man.
I'm tell you the truth, people, as I said before, I've been a while me not shoot bird. No, if I'm hunting, it's been a while. The video them we see we are post right now, we just start up at little hunting, you know them kind of vibes, eh? Yeah, man, we kind of do some other things. But yeah, man, see killer, yeah, man. The other day, I want 15 ball plate, me seen carrying come the other day, people. 15
Yeah,
ball
man.
plate, but we never have no, we never do no recording at the time with the camera, you see me?
Yeah, man.
I did want to shoot by ball plate them, but think we the one away name woodpecker. Couple woodpecker, well. And when next one again name?
White long tail pea dove.
And what the one name again? The
Anti-80.
anti-80, yeah.
Woodpecker.
You can go on.
Let's see if we can shut it bottom.
Yo, you know it's about 2 long again.
Won't take a lot of I feel.
See, anti-80, yeah, people. This is ca-
Just say some shot in your
this is call it anti-80 people.
Ball plate, man. Over panic.
Man.
Where we are from people.
When them a get wild, you know, people. I get wild, man.
Yeah, but I like still, you know. The one of people. And when I want to take off in head, it's sweet to them, man. Poop!
first, me I see them.
You know, yeah, when I say people, I say watch me, I give them 1 of 4 lifestyle headshot, you know. Boop! And flick him over people. No, show blood, boy. You can't show blood. Keep it straight. You can't show blood tonight. Yeah, man, you have to flick him. So yes, people, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know, no thing going on, people. Go and
Stay
support.
tuned.
Yeah, man, just go and support the thing. So yes, my people, watch what going on now. Show them what going on, brother. With them no one, they say you don't pick them off.
Yeah, man, we kind of don't pick them off still enough people, but kind of graphics so do it.
Just moving out on you and show people I'm sitting with them, man.
Come on.
So yes, people, we don't pick them off. We wash them off good, take off the rest of the them. And we are going to cut them out and show them what go on. So just stay tuned, man. You see? The last one this we pick off. We only get 6 of them. You know?
Grateful
We don't get no
said
big bird today still, you know, but we're grateful for we get. You see me? Just stay tuned, man. Alright now people, check in again, man, for the bird them. You don't know it go. The light kind of not so 100, but we are make it work, is it?
What is it?
1 DK. How you see how do it, my boss?
Yeah, we have a French fry them, you know?
French fry?
Like the youth.
With the light, now we see what I go on
Yeah,
there.
we call all purpose.
Kind of dark still good people, but you don't know it go. What you say there was some all-purpose?
All purpose. Maggie all purpose. Yeah.
French fried bird.
Yeah. I have some easy spice all purpose stuff. Yeah. Yeah, Maggie jar. So we just put a little seasoning on it. I make the seasoning go and marinate tonight. Yes, and then we like showing a finishing touch to it. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Not telling nobody, only just need to have the whole
Lucky lip.
Why? This is
Right.
Yeah, do make it marinate now, sir? So yes, my people, boss season it up and thing. So your boss make it season the bird and marinate or a marinate. Stay tuned, man. So alright again, people, check in again for the bird them now. So see they can ready up to put in the flour upon the bird, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. French fried bird.
But he too baggy or purpose over this and come back.
Purpose. Well, and the people, bear it with us, you know, when my current thing set away. Ah,
Yeah,
Tan?
go for them and for the people. Stay tuned.
Yeah, man, stay tuned.
I want some flour, people.
May I come? Travis, get that thing. So yeah, you boss, I season up the flour, same speed.
Yeah, because we don't want the salt, you know?
Probably like good daddy, because you remember saying light set away. Current set away.
Stay one place, start with the light.
So boss, I put in the oil for French fried bird. Over here, so we have Nancy. I make some cornmeal porridge. Beautiful. Nancy, me want some of that. Good. Take up some of the people. Let me see it there. Texture. Easy now. Yeah, man.
Come on.
Monique, so coming up. No one give me say bird, but me know now want to give me that. Monique, where them bird at? DK.
I'm not sure.
Monique, get it. All right, we have bird feed. Yeah, yeah, so a nice spot. Come through now, people. Blow it up. Get it active. 1 DK na man. Big shooter and chef at the same time. You see, Pre? Well, seasoned people, as you can see. Yeah, man.
Why not you if could have somebody to your phone, man?
Man. I'll get hot because I want the island.
Turn it down.
Turn it
Let
down.
me see me come. Me turn it
I'm
down.
ready, I'm ready. Come in, DK. I'm ready. So I'm going again, the people.
Money that.
Money, come in, money. Money. French fried bird. The first time I try French fried bird, still not people in our life. Don't worry yourself, Nancy. We don't get no bird eye in your porridge. Nancy.
Porridge ready there.
Yo, people, Nancy, cross over in porridge, you know, man. Cornmeal porridge. Yeah. Come over here again. See with us, you know, people, with the light business, you know, don't know where going on, but so clear because I like electricity and phone light we have around right now. If we camera them, we have a hard time to charge them up and things, you see me? So now stay tuned, people. We have some more coming up, man, for sure. They finishing it, you see me? So alright now, people. I'm already showing you bloody night in there, but no, I go. Kind of keep the camera far from it, the bloody part of it, you see me? Come on. Nice side of the detail. Yeah, man. Look at that, people. Yeah, man. Kentucky Fried Bird. Somebody like me again. I'm sure people have one here.
Kentucky Fried Bird.
Ronnie,
Yo,
don't play the every shirt first, you know.
who did that play?
Kentucky Fried
Travis, what's the other side of play?
He lies again,
I
so.
want Paris too.
Where's the brother? Check in, man.
Travis, go. Travis, go.
And the bird smells nice already, you know. Ah, Monique.
Damien, tell him they want. Damien, they want you. Come. Damien,
Porridge over
they
there.
want you.
Damien.
Over here.
Go on down, they call you. Welcome to you. How many fibers of quick, Charlie?
Chef the shooter. Out and stunting.
Number
Boy,
one,
me I
number
tell you,
one chef.
You
me I
get
tell you,
plate.
all your bird smells good. Go feed plate them, brother.
Come, Charlie.
So don't stay tuned enough, people. You don't know you go. One tile line I building. So yes, people. In the meantime, while I wait for bird today, I have some cornmeal porridge and crackers, you know. And the one Tyler. Oh man, no, this good. This one right here. Cornmeal porridge. Cornmeal porridge and crackers.
Yeah, man.
Yes, Tyler, you like it?
Yeah, man.
Cornmeal porridge and crackers. Hold it for a minute. Yes, people. Now I'm growing it. Cornmeal porridge.
Nancy, how are this?
No, you must have. They want to put you in our complete and get everything.
Yeah.
That ain't sitting down.
Complete now.
Yeah, I want to complete. Give me a basket, please.
Come on.
See them.
Your green one.
See, cut this up.
This one.
Go on again, Tyler. Here. Yeah, move.
Money. Money. Come take over this.
Yeah, take out them now, DK.
The money can come take you over. Yes.
Take them out. Them are good. Them are get too cripsy. DK.
Cripsy and Cripsy, that's how we like it, Cripsy.
Yo.
Take out, take out this, Nancy. Go for one plate over there, Daddy.
Take out one plate, Daddy. Cripsy, Cripsy, that's how we like it, yeah man. Cripsy.
Come, Daddy. No, Daddy. Carry black one, come.
Oh, I imagine that's right, best part in movie. It's bigger than the liver.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, tell me put up enough.
Yeah.
It's alright?
Yeah.
You think, how many dash them the party? It's bigger than the liver.
Aye, boy, brother,
Yeah,
dash
you
me.
get enough. And it's hard.
I brother,
But
that's
you
true.
eat and it's food.
Many plate to tell her fire.
Yo, so we can go.
So alright people, stay tuned because we're gonna show you when everything is gonna be eat, man.
Come on.
No, give me hand.
No,
That don't
man.
plate. Oh, in a
The
plate.
plate are back. We don't have hurty chest. We don't have hurty chest then.
Alright, when you can flow up the last set and then put it in, and then you know how it go.
Tell me so make it have this one put it.
It's hard.
Just let everything come back.
Yep, what you have DK? Now you have no bird till you come, money can't have feed me if you're ready. Now wait till you come to. You think you might escape this? All bird I eat when everybody there, Tony. Who?
And I got a bird here.
Good. You like a between the people, so I want to know, understand and know what things set. No current there. keep repeat myself, you know. Phone like we are work, all the GoPro battery them. So come on, I'm going to video. So alright people, Monique put in the last 2 birds. So now stay tuned, we're going to show you what going on. Check in Monique. Monique in our building, you know, people. Yeah. Put the light for Monique, man. See the Monique.
French fry bird. Looking yummy.
Yes, you ready for your
I'm gonna taste that and see if these guys in the kitchen know how to do their thing.
Monique, I'm gonna try the bird with us.
Yeah, I'm going to check in back. You know,
Yo,
people.
That's why I never rate Monique just sitting there. Anything we are dealing with him, I deal with that, you know? Yeah, man. So alright people, stay tuned. You don't know anything going on, man. We have a show now finishing touches, see me? Check in again, people. Time to eat up the bird, you know. Ready up, Monique? One DK run from the bird. Man, go shoot one and one on board Finiam. Ready?
Yeah, man.
Ready, Tyler?
Yeah, man, hold it. Look at it, guys. No KFC, nothing. Jamaica, the best French fry bird. Big up, Big Chef DK. Let's get into it and take a bite and see how it tastes.
Take a bite. Black man, come in, man.
Yeah.
You there, bird?
Good, huh?
Where's that?
Crunchy and nice.
Come in, Tyler.
Come here, Shayla, one day. I don't want to eat him.
Just jam, man. Come, brother, take a piece, man.
You need to go pee.
You take up already?
Tell them how it tastes. Bite it.
I want a piece, Shayla.
Don't it.
Yo, how it tastes, boss?
Nice.
How it tastes?
Nice. How it tastes?
More here, loud, man.
Nice.
Look like one of them.
No. You watch out. Man fight me and take you away. No, you watch out.
So you
Man beat me, man
take
take
up
you
more
away.
there. Give money.
Nobody out there.
Nobody with the bad word, money. Remember the bad word.
What is Stacy?
DK, I'm back out here, man. Brother, what you say?
Good man, it tastes
Turn the light
nice.
away from us. Turn the light away from us.
Tastes good in my people.
What do you mean?
Right now it tastes better than KFC, me not tell no lie. Tougher than KFC.
Man say it tastes better than KFC. What you say now, Black man?
Bad like a yard. Well, man.
What about it? Done.
Black man never did any hunting today, kind of have some local crime to match up, but you don't know where you go.
French fry bird.
You want a piece of my friend? You don't know about it.
Finger licking.
Try a piece of bird, man. Fruit eye bird. DK, try bird already? Vendetta boss. Vendetta, what is that? Easy. So yo, Tyler. What you say, you like it about sir?
Yeah, man, I love you, man. My KFC tastes so good, man.
Check out Javier.
My time now, you know, people.
Javier.
Oh, Javier.
Yo, Javier. Yo, watch out, this. I'm going to take up one already and take up Monique one. Watch out.
Tell them how it is. Why? How nice.
Hey, boy, say, what you say, though?
Finger licking one.
Mati meat fight.
So go on and search it and eat.
Papi, finger licking one.
You know me have.
So alright people, don't forget to like and share them and subscribe, you see it? You don't know where you go. We have some more content coming up also. So no just stay tuned people. And by current a fight with. So the light not so beautiful but no see that's where I go on man. I tell you I want light on the head. One love every time, bless up on yourself. Show up on the next video people.